Go, Ram! I'm joking. Oh, shit. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe and follow our family life. It's snowing in Yorkshire, Leeds.
Hi YouTube people. Welcome back to our channel.
No, Dad.
Huh? No, Dad.
We're supposed to play tonight. I don't know how we get into the game. We've watched 3 cars on our street try and get out. They've gone nowhere. So. It's going to be very interesting. That doesn't help. Far out, man. It's spring. It's supposed to be summer soon.
Summer soon?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's snowing in Leeds. We're going to take the kids to a hill not far from us so they can sled. Is it sled? Slide down the hill. Oh my god, it's actually really hard work walking through the snow. It's pretty thick. Look how thick it is.
Mom, it's
Nice, Ram. It's got boobies.
Okay.
What if it actually happened? Oh. Yeah, no. Hi, Daddy.
Sup?
Sup, G. Stop throwing snow at me. Huh?
It's hard to drive.
Drive.
Yeah. I just want to go breakfast.
Yeah. I just got to the hill that the kids want to go on, and there's so many people here already. Look, there's so many people. So nice. So beautiful.
Mama, there's a big hill up there.
Is there? Look how deep the snow is. I don't know how Blake's playing in this. Like I literally, look.
Free shot.
Missed. Go, Ram! You okay? Remy? Was it fun? I thought she was going to be bad. Oh. So guys, we just got home from taking the kids out in the snow and they wanted to do a challenge. It's a challenge now. Oh, the challenge is who can make the best snowman. But yeah, let's go and make some snowmans. So we're in the backyard and the kids are gonna make snowmans. May the best person win. Cashy's happy. Hi, Cashy.
Okay, so we're team snowballers. Yeah.
Snowballs.
Okay, yeah. Our
And
tactic
even
is
with
to make it a good snowman.
Ooh.
If we win, if they lose, we'll win.
I'll get,
If they lose, we'll win. Nice, Rem.
yeah, so yeah.
Thumbs up.
Snow. Okay, our team name is Snow, okay? So
Snowball and snow. Yeah.
yeah, so our tactic is to, Winter can't come right now because she's collecting snow, which is one of our tactics, and then we're going to sabotage them with snowballs.
Nice.
Yeah.
Game on.
Okay, when can we start?
3,
Get away from our area.
2, 1, go.
Hey, Ren, get loads of snow.
Get away.
Nobody's actually doing anything.
No, because right now just... What? You can't sabotage. Wait, can we just do a snowball fight?
I think I'm going to make my own snowman.
Don't wreck the camera.
You choked me. Stop! Ow!
Stop, okay.
Whoa.
Nala, don't.
I'm gonna go get out to lunch. Mama, it doesn't look like this.
How do you... I don't know how you create a snowman.
Oh.
We need to shape these so that it's...
No,
No, Remy! Leave it.
Show me, Rem.
No, Remy.
yeah.
We need to make this...
I don't know if Cashy likes the snow. Is it Cashy? Cash? Do you like it? Leave him alone. It's not digging the snow. Cashy? Come inside because I'm cold, and I've set a timer for 45 minutes for them to build their snowman, and then I'll go check which one's the best. I don't think they're gonna even make a snowman because they're just out there throwing snowballs at each other. It's also Blake's game day today. What's it called? They're versing, I think they're playing Wakefield, so that should be a good game. I'm still debating whether I'm gonna take the kids or not because it is gonna be -4 apparently tonight. But yeah, not sure if I'll take the kids or if I'll get the neighbor to watch them and I'll just go to the game by myself. So guys, did you guys do much in the snow or did you stay inside? Because I did want to stay inside because I was so cold, but the kids wanted to go and build snowmans and like go down the hill. And actually it was quite fun, I'm not gonna lie. Ew, I sound like an English person. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, so we'll see if we'll go to the game or not.
Okay guys, we're just going to go check the results. Remy, how you doing? Whoa, that's the 3. Remy's gotten like nothing. Winters is actually really good. I don't know how she's very good at this. Winter, show them.
So, this is my snowman. This is Mickey Mouse, and this is where his butt is. I'm trying to make his butt. And I'm just moving it out before I make it.
Okay, let's go see Nala's. She's already looking very scared.
Shut up.
Wait. Okay. So I'm starting to create a snowman. Yeah. 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 Bye, guys. Okay, so they're not doing very good. Well, Remy, Winter's is actually really good. I'll show you it again.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm already done, so I can help you.
Okay, we'll check back. We'll check on the snowman again soon. Okay, guys, I couldn't be bothered to do this, but I'm still going to do it. And I'm just going to show you his far right side. Okay, guys, I'm just going to do I couldn't be bothered to do this snowman. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide as far as I can. So, are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Jesus Christ, I'm cold. Oh, I'm cold. That was not very good, so I'm not going to do that ever again.
So guys, they didn't last long out there. They got too cold and they've come inside. Their noses are running. But I think Remy and Winter won. We have a mystery prize.
What?
Let's see what the mystery prize is. It's in this bag, the mystery prize. Are you excited to see the mystery prize?
Yeah. Can you miss?
No. Who? Ready? Okay.
Eyelashes.
This is a mystery prize. Who's excited?
Me. Not me.
Who's excited? Ta-da!
Whoa.
It's a mystery prize.
Mama. Mama.
I'm joking. Here's a mystery prize.
Oh, thank you.
Share it.
Thank you very much, Mama. Me, Winter.
Oh,
Yeah, but we
They won.
What?
So guys, we have some exciting news. Winter got something from school today and me and Blake are very proud of her. She goes to a different school than her other sisters. Remy and Nala go to the same school. Carter's in high school, obviously, and Winter goes to a different school by herself. But she's really been enjoying it there and she loves it there. So no, we don't want to move her. She's on a waiting list for Remy and Nala's school, but she's been doing very well at this other school and the teachers there are so amazing. She talks with them all the time. But she got something really special today, but I'm going to save that for the next vlog because she wants to. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog now. I'm obviously uploading it now because you're watching it, but thank you for supporting our family and I hope you enjoy our videos. If there is anything you want to see, can you please comment down below and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.